Good afternoon, all you Skoda lovers out there. It's Alex Webb here at Startin Skoda, and I just thought I'd actually do a walk around video today, just showing you some of the key features of the award-winning SKODA Octavia. Now, this is a gorgeous example of one of the 1.5 petrol SE automatic DSG gearboxed SKODA Octavia hatchbacks. Currently has 9,000 miles on the clock, and in the gorgeous black metallic paint. Works really well with the two-tone against the silver wheels. So I'll just go around, guys. I'll just show you some more features of the car and try and give you much of an idea of the condition as possible as well. So you've got your front LED daytime running lights and LED strips as well. Front and rear fog lights too. Just going down, just show you the alloy wheel there. Looks really nice. And whether you're someone who's using this to potentially commute and take a lot of things with you to work, a big family, or maybe you just want something with a bit more space just for your day-to-day use, the Octavia will tick that box. The size of the boot is absolutely enormous. By all means, you could actually put about 3 or 4 wardrobes almost in there. Like, it is huge. I think it's the class leading boot for the Octavia and for all the other cars in its class as well. So I'll just show you inside. So absolutely humongous in there. You've got your little 12-volt charger on the left-hand side for that refrigerated cool box if you do go camping. Those little plastic struts just on the left there, and actually not one on the right, but one on the left, sorry. You can actually take that out completely. So if you are a golfer and you want to create a bit more space in the boot, feel free, pull that straight out. And then you can always fold down the rear seats if you did want even more space than that as well. But as I say, absolutely monstrous amount of space in there. You then got the removable parcel shelf, and you've got the rear parking sensors. Now, all of the Octavias, especially the SEs and above, come with front and rear full LED lights as well. This person's actually opted to have the mud flaps fitted as well, just on the back there. And just to show you inside the car, guys, as well. So in the SE, you get the cloth interior to two-tone grey and black, really comfortable huggy seats. By the look of it, it doesn't actually look like anyone's ever sat in the back of here. It looks absolutely gorgeous, in pristine condition. So if you are someone who's actually quite long-legged and you're getting in the back, you have no fear, because you will still have a little bit of leg room, which I know is quite a pain in a lot of the cars. And then just to show you inside the front as well. So just in there, you've got your electronic window controls and your wing mirror controls on the right-hand side. You've then got your cloth two-tone huggy seats in the front there with the extendable armrest. Now, this one also features the lumbar support as well, which is just on this little handle just here, and that'll just adjust the pressure on your lower back as well. So just to kind of give you an idea of the cabin and the cockpit inside, really nicely laid out. You've got then the audio mounted controls on the steering wheel. You've got your digital dashboard display with a little picture of the car on at the moment. Moving over slightly, you've then got your 2 cup holders. You've then got the DSG automatic world famous gearbox, climate control system, and then you've also got your huge touchscreen, almost like an iPad inside the car, where you can operate your Bluetooth, your hands-free calling, your DAB radio and SmartLink as well, to basically get all the information from your phone onto that big screen there. So it doubles up as almost a secondary iPhone screen. But as I say, absolutely gorgeous inside, really well looked after car. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you do have any questions or queries or would like to arrange a test drive, please contact me directly at alexander.webb, which is W-E-B-B, at startingroup, all one word, .co.uk for my email, or you can phone me on 01905 830 361. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a terrific afternoon. Thank you.